What's up, everybody? Don from Bearded Barbecue and Adventures, and tonight we're going to be doing something pretty neat. A fellow YouTuber from Just Cook the Damn Food has asked some collaborators to do some buffalo chicken wing videos for the month of January. So that's what we're doing tonight. We're going to get in there. We're going to make up a homemade sauce, buffalo sauce. We're going to whip that up. We're going to go out to the Kamado Joe, get it fired up, get these wings marinated, get them on there, and see how they turn out. I'm really excited for this video. So let's get to it. All right, everybody, here are the ingredients that we're going to use to make the buffalo sauce. And it is going to be 2/3 cup of hot pepper sauce, which I've got Frank's RedHot. It's a half cup of cold unsalted butter, 1.5 tablespoons white vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Man, oh, I butchered that word. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then 1/8 a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then just salt to taste. So I'm gonna, through the power of TV magic, get all these ingredients ready to go and in a pot so we can get them ready to simmer. All right, we have got all the ingredients mixed in the bowl, and I've got it over medium heat. But because most of you know I'm from South Louisiana, I'm gonna add just a hint of Tabasco sauce to that, just to give it a little extra kick. That can't hurt anything. So we'll let this get up to a simmer. We'll continue to whisk it, all these ingredients together. Then we'll take it off the heat. All right, everybody, here's a little bit of an update. We've got the buffalo sauce ready to go. As you can see, I've got two other sauces. We're going to be putting it to the taste test. So some in my family do not like buffalo sauce. Some do like it, but they don't like it hot. The sauce that I made is hot, so that's primarily for me and Little Bear. Then the medium saucy is going to be for Mrs. Bearded Barbecue because she'll eat that. And then the honey barbecue is for my other son Carter, and then Little Bear, and we'll probably all partake. But it'll be interesting to kind of compare and see how everything is. But usually, in my experience, homemade stuff tastes the best. So we'll try it out. Okay, one of the things that I like to do is put a little extra seasoning on the chicken and then mix it together. Sometimes just using the buffalo sauce, the barbecue sauce isn't enough, so I like to take a little bit of the seasonal, sprinkle it all over the chicken, mix it in really good, and then just make sure that I've got some good flavor with it. So once we get this done, we'll get it out on the grill. All right, here we have the chicken is now marinating and ready to go. So as you can see, one of the tricks that I like to use is just use Ziploc bags, to marinate that stuff in, and just let it sit out for a little while I go and fire up the grill. As you can see, we've got the barbecue, we've got the medium, and we've got the hot that we made homemade. So let's get out there to the grill. Well, guys, it is raining, so I don't know that I picked the best time to do this wing video, but that's okay because I've got some protection, as you can hear above, and I've went ahead and I've got the grill going. So we're just going to let it get up and reach temperature, and then we will get these wings on here and see how they taste. So hey, a little rain in Texas, it's not going to stop us. I can't complain. It's like 64 degrees right now in the middle of January, so always barbecue season here. All right, I have the wings on, and here is how I arranged them. So I have the medium wings on this side, have the barbecue down the middle, and I have the hot on this side so that I can remember which one is which when I go to take them off. So got them on there. We're going to let them go. Man, I can't wait to try them. They smell delicious. They've just got put on, but they still smell so great. While we're waiting, something about buffalo chicken wings, just you want a beer, right? And so I've got one of these left that a buddy of mine left in my fridge. It's a pecan porter. I love dark beers, and he knows that. And so he surprised me with a 6-pack of these, and they are fantastic. So dark beer is probably not the best pairing when it comes to wings, but it's still a really good beer. In fact, my buddy that turned me on to this beer is excited because I've invited him to do a video with me because he knows everything about craft beer. And so we're going to have a video where I'm going to make something, he's going to pair the beer, and then he's going to talk about it. So you want to talk about a guy that's very, very knowledgeable about craft beer. It's my buddy Ron. So hopefully in a few future videos, you'll get to meet him, and we'll get to do that video. But for now, cheers, everybody. Man, that is really good. I need to go to Specs or Total Wine or something and get some more of this because that is fantastic. Anyway, we're just waiting on the wings to get up to temp. I've gone ahead and I've flipped them over, and they should be ready soon. So we'll see in a few. I have the finished product in front of me. Now, you'll notice I only have 2 wings on my plate because I'm not a big fan of barbecue buffalo wings. Don't know why. Love barbecue, everything else, but my favorite is traditional buffalo sauce. So I have on the left the homemade sauce, and then I have on the right the medium sauce that's store-bought that you can get. So let's bite into it and see how it tastes. First, the hot one. Really good flavor. I love the flavor. I think it's great. Ooh, it's got a nice little after kick that just set in. However, I can take it a little bit hotter. I love a good spicy wing. Let's go ahead and try the medium sauce. This is the store-bought. Very good. If you just want like a subtle hint of buffalo, that's perfect. But man, like I anticipated, there's nothing better than a homemade product. And that homemade sauce hit it out of the park. I'll add a little bit more cayenne pepper to it next time so I can get the desired kick that I want. But other than that, they both turned out fantastic. I'm sure my family is going to love the barbecue because they love that. So until next video, I'll see you behind the grill or behind the wheel. Thanks for watching.